back to Well Keeping Moms. Today I'm going to show you how to make a black eyeliner, a simple black eyeliner. We're going to take a scoop of our eyeshadow base. Now we have to have this base in order to make our eyeliner, because without the base the eyeliner won't stick. If all you use is your black color blend, it's not going to stick because it doesn't have all the right ingredients in it to do so. So we put in our 1 scoop of our eyeshadow base. Now we're going to put in 2 scoops of black, because that white is really going to lighten it up. We want to make sure we put in plenty of black. We might even need to put in another scoop, but we'll just wait and see. It's best to test it on smaller amounts first and then add to it if you need to. Remember to stir it in very well so that you don't have any white specks left in it. If you have white specks, that's going to give you blank spots. As you apply it, you'll have these white and bare spaces that don't have any black in them. But just make sure you really smush all those into the jar, get them all broken down. See, as you can see, it's not nearly as black as it was. So we're going to want to add more black color blend. But let's get this mixed in first. You can see the difference in color. It's quite different yet. So let's add another scoop and see what that does. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add one more. Now if you like a dark gray color, this is fine. You can leave it just like this, but I like it a little darker. And you just keep adding until you get the color that you want. Just remember, this is going to last a long time. So if you use black eyeliner exclusively, this is still going to last you quite a long while. And it's nice to have it all made up so you don't have to make it up every other week or so. It's good to have a large amount. So there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just try this and see what I get for a color, because I might want it a little darker yet. Always test it first, see if it's what you like. Now that's pretty dark. It's a very dark gray, which I really wouldn't mind, but I think I'm going to go 1 more scoop darker. If you have blonde hair, blonde eyelashes, a lighter color might suit you better. I personally have darker eyelashes, so I like to have it match a little better. Okay, I'm liking that color. As I say, you can keep going darker if that's what you like. Now when it comes to eyeliner, I don't generally make it shimmery. I like my eyeliner just plain most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of this in here. Doesn't take much. And then I'm going to dip my brush in water and set it on the lid somewhere other than right in the mixture that I just created. I'm going to set it off to the side a little bit. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pull the water over into the mixture and mix it in. Let some of the water go if it's too much. Yeah, I simply have too much, so I'm going to add a little more of the mix here. It doesn't take much, so just work with it and play with it and see what you do, what you can get. There we go. I'm gonna pull the dry up out of the way a little bit so I can get a nice, not too liquidy color. It takes a long time to dry. I find it best if you have a hand fan, or you can set your hair dryer on low cool, and it will dry quickly that way. That way you won't have to worry about it smudging. Okay. And there we go. There we have our eyeliner. Now you can add some shimmer to this if you'd like. Let's go ahead and try that. What I'm going to do is put some of that in here. Just some. Okay. Now I'm going to add a scoop of Sparkle White. This is from the kit. And then we're going to stir that in and see what we get. Now that's a lot of Sparkle White for that little bit. But I just want you to see that it's okay to play and just experiment. If you find that this is just too shimmery for you, you can go ahead then and add some more of your original color blend that you mixed up. So it's all okay. Okay, now I'm actually going to take a little of this. Because we have plenty of water on hand, we can just mix that in. I think I might need to just grab a touch more. There we go. Let's see what this does. See how that's thicker now? Yeah. Not sure if you can see that, but it has more shimmer. As it dries, you'll be able to see it better, I believe. When you wet it like that, it gives it a darker look. Gives it a darker shade, and it gives it a little bit of a shine all on its own. It's called foiled. I'm not sure how well you can see that. My lighting's not terribly good, but there we have it. The nice dark color for an eyeliner. Now you can take any color that you make as an eyeshadow, and you can make it into an eyeliner. So you just use the exact same steps we just did, and you can make any color into an eyeliner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and create from your do-it-yourself mineral eyeshadow kit. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. We will be having a do-it-yourself mineral blush kit coming out in January, so we will have videos to go along with that. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.